Hello, I wanted to show you my new toy that I got from Amazon. It's just arrived and I've just had my first little go with it. So it's a hand steamer. It is wired, but it's quite a long wire, and all you do is fill up this little thing at the front, and once you've got a green light, it starts off with a blue one, you switch this on and you can see for a small thing it's quite powerful. So I thought, obviously I've got an iron, but I need something for my crochet, so I'm going to see if it softens up. This crochet cotton is not the best quality one. I've made a bit of boo-boo. I should have got one with some bamboo in it or something, but anyway, I'm hoping it softens this. So I shall give it a whiz. I'm going to do the pattern for this, by the way, these sleeves. So you just go over it gently, and I think this is going to be really useful moving forwards with anything in my crochet stash. I'll do the insides of the sleeve separately. So go around the back. This is my Molly mannequin. And I'll put a link to the actual steamer. I think it is the best-selling one on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description, and when I've done the tuition for the swings, I'll pop that in as well. So let's look at Molly in the front, Molly mannequin. Let's just go down the sleeve. And it's pretty lightweight to use. Just get through that water quite a bit though, but I'm very happy with it. Let's have a feel if it feels softer. Oh, do you know what it does? It does feel warm, understandably, and way softer. I think that makes that much more wearable. So I'm very happy with that. This is the box. So this is what to look out for, but I will put a link, fabric steamer. I'll put a link on my on the description. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.